Hello everybody, this is me Johan here. I've been using these Ptron Bassbuds which were acquired for an amazing rupees 800. Now at this price they look like a steal. But as we know, everything that costs less comes with limitations. Are they worth considering for people on a budget? Did they surpass my expectations or just land up disappointing me? Let's dive into it. This is what comes inside the box. The case, charging cable, and an instruction manual. Looks of the case. This is what the case looks like. It is made up of plastic. The top lid of the case is made up of very light plastic, and due to this, it's advised to handle it with care. The charging case has a matte finish and feels durable enough. Size wise, it's neither too big or too small. It was compact enough for me to comfortably carry in my pocket. The colors. They come in four colors: white, blue, green, and this black I have here with me, which looks quite cool. To switch on, press the power button in the middle. The four lights down indicate the case's charge percentage, and to switch off, hit the power button again. How to pair. Once you switch them on, turn on your device's Bluetooth and pair new device. It's pretty straightforward. Looks and build quality. Looks wise, they have a decent look, and the plastic quality does not feel cheap. They feel reasonably well built and feel durable enough for the most part. The in-ear fit. The in-ear fit was comfortable enough and didn't feel like they were going to come out. At the same time, wearing them for long durations, I could always tell I was wearing them. They can be taken for casual walks, not intense workouts, as the fit isn't very tight. Audio quality. Honestly, I was expecting this to be below average, but surprise, surprise, it did the opposite. The bass is surprisingly good, and the vocals and instruments all sounded good enough, and they get pretty loud at maximum volume, although quality takes a slight hit. Music played at 80% volume sounds the best. The wireless range is advertised as 10 meters. In real world usage, it ranged between 4 to maximum 5 meters. The wireless range is not really its strong point. Button operations. The multifunction buttons are made up of plastic and have a decent clicky feel. It's pretty straightforward. It took me no time to learn them. Long press the multifunction button on both sides for 3 seconds to power on. The blue LED flashing 3 times is an indication that it is on. In the case of switching it off, do the same for 5 seconds on both sides. The LED flashing 3 times indicates that they have been switched off. While receiving a call, just click either one of the multifunction buttons once, and likewise to hang up the call. To reject a call, click either of the buttons twice. To play or pause a track, click either of the buttons once. To skip the next song, press either of the buttons twice. To go back to the previous song, click either of the buttons thrice. To activate the Google Assistant, press and hold either of the two buttons for 2 seconds. Charging type. At this price, as expected, it comes with a micro USB cable for charging the case. A full charge from nil takes 1 hour and 30 minutes. Call quality. Call quality was just what I would call good enough. It wasn't great, neither was it bad. I could always hear the other person on the other side, and so could the other person hear me. Battery life. The claim is 6 hours of playback time and 5 hours of talk time. In reality, with mixed usage of both, I was able to squeeze out about 5 hours of usage time, and the claimed 20 hours playtime with case amounts to 3 full charges. Now the verdict. At rupees 800, are they amazing value for money? Honestly, the audio quality surprised me, and it punched way above its price. This is for people who like listening to music and don't take too many calls. To put it simply, this is for people who are moderate users. The Ptron Bassbuds definitely earn a recommendation from my side for people who want to purchase earbuds under a budget of rupees 1000. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys loved the video, I'd appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so that y'all get notified with the latest and greatest videos the second they uploaded on YouTube by me. So what else can I say? Wishing all of you a tremendous day ahead of you. Ciao for now.